Hey, Flurbird! Son here. So, let's talk about color. There's a lot to talk about color, but did you know these tips? You can, like, basically pick any color you like on your screen or from any other application. But then, check out this. Drag the color over there. And you can keep it. You can basically keep this color and use it everywhere in your project. It's amazing. You can, like, the color that the material that we make, we can use the color for it. You can also use the colors for color coding your folders, and that's really convenient because I'm built. I'm optically built, so I like to look at things and then not read things. So the more colors, the better, I'd say. I hope this brings a little bit more color into your life. If you like this video, you know what to do. This is Flurbird, out. Bye!